Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Parkside Mixed Bit Set. It looks like a can, makes you that you want to drink that. And this one, it is a bit set. It looks like a battery. Let's start with the Mixed Bit Set. 22 pieces total included, masonry, wood and metal drill bits and bit set. You can open like that, very convenient. And inside we have four wood, twist drill bits, 4mm, 5mm, 6mm and 8mm. Good quality drill bits. And another 5 8CS twist drill bits. 2mm, 3, 4, 5 and 6, the larger. And another 4 for masonry, starting with a 4mm, 5, 6 and 8. And we have the bit set, total 8. Color coded with one magnetic bit holder. And next we have the battery case shape. It looks like a battery, I like that. That was the main reason that I buy these two products. It looks like a can and battery. "31 total pieces included inside, 31 bits and one magnetic bit holder. Color coded, all the bits. Nice, I like it. This versatile collection is a must-have for anyone who enjoys DIY projects, home repairs or professional work. With a wide variety of bits included, this set ensures you're always equipped for any task that comes your way in a certain point. Whether you are working with wood, metal or masonry, or you need a bit set. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tool reviews and DIY tips. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.